Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to BASF Science Club. I'm Carrie Gray with BASF, here with my son, Tanner. What do you think will happen when we combine baking soda and vinegar in a plastic baggie? Let's find out. Create little packets of baking soda into squares of toilet paper. Fill the baggie about halfway with vinegar.
Okay, got it.
While the vinegar is in one corner of the baggie, put the baking soda packet into the other corner. Seal the bag well, leaving a good amount of air in the bag. Now shake it.
It's inflating quickly.
The baking soda and vinegar react to form carbon dioxide, water, and salt. The carbon dioxide causes the bag to expand. When the pressure becomes too great, the baggie pops. Go to abc11.com/science club to find more on this experiment. And visit us on Facebook to share your results.
Thanks for watching BASF Science Club.
Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.